Today's first question. Miss Yingluck Shinawatra is the first woman Prime Minister of Thailand. A dash is known by different names in different parts of the world. It is called a hurricane in North America. Cyclone. The national flower of Italy is lily. Which country is facing border blockade from India and is suffering from food and fuel shortages? Nepal. Asia's first ballistic research center is situated in which country? India. With which two other countries did India recently sign the Shared Awareness and Deconfliction Initiative? Japan and China. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC, Railway and Banking exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You Free Mock. Click on Free Mocks, then you will be able to find free mocks for SSC, Banking and Railways exams. Candidates can select their exam and take the free mock test. Select your language and start the mock. After taking this test, you will get detailed mock analysis and solution with percentile. Pranab Mukherjee is the dash President of India. 13th. Ural Mountains and Ural River separates Europe from Asia. In which city are the headquarters of Interpol located? Lone. Who is the first Muslim Chief Minister of Maharashtra? A.R. Antule. Who was the last Governor General of India? C. Rajagopalachari. The headquarters of SAARC is in Kathmandu. British PM ordered a probe into the Thatcher linked to Operation Blue Star. Operation Blue Star relates to Indian Army. Who was the first ever democratically elected president of Afghanistan? Hamid Karzai. To which country does Magnus Carlsen belongs to? Norway. Where is the headquarters of the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation SAARC located? Kathmandu, Nepal. Where is the headquarters of the World Meteorological Organization, which is WMO, located? Geneva. Which country recently overtook Saudi Arabia as the India's top oil supplier to India? Iraq. The 5 BRICS countries represent over 3 billion people or 42% of world population. According to WHO, which country has the highest rate of child marriage? Bangladesh. Mona Lisa is painted on wood. The system of judicial review originated in USA. The largest temple in the world is Akshardham Temple. Ending over 50 years of hostilities, the United States has recently decided to normalize its relations and to re-establish diplomatic relations with Cuba. Bank formed by BRICS is known as New Development Bank. The international boundary between United States of America and Canada is often referred to as 49 parallel. Tata Singapore Airlines recently named its upcoming joint venture airline as Vistara. Which country is home to the highest waterfall in the world? Venezuela. The largest plateau in the world is being administered by which country? China. The headquarters of BIMSTEC Group of Nations is located in Dhaka. Sri Jayawardhanipura Court is the capital of which country? Sri Lanka. The remains of which ancient civilization can be seen at the site of Machu Picchu in Peru? Incas. The first export processing zone of Asia was set up in Kandla. Apart from India, which other countries does National Insurance Company Limited serve? Nepal. Nepal has border with how many countries? 2. Where is the headquarters of the International Civil Aviation Organization located? Montreal. Which is the only country whose postage stamps do not bear its name? UK. What is the venue for 24th Ancient Summit? Nai Pai Tau. Which country has 3 capitals: administrative, legislative and judicial? South Africa. WeCrackYou provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that you only need to Google search CrackYou SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link. Start the mock. Which of the treaty was signed amongst the European nations for entering into the Monetary Union? Maastricht Treaty. The newest country in the world is South Sudan. Chinese Parliament is known as National People's Congress. What is the International Calling Code of Nepal? 977. Which country awards Nobel Prize? Sweden. Which country has been affected the most by the Zika virus? Brazil. Citizen of which neighboring country does not require a passport or visa to enter India? Nepal. Which country is the largest producer of wheat? China. The commodity for which India spent the largest amount to import is crude petroleum. George Bernard Shaw, the greatest dramatist, was an Irishman. World Intellectual Property Organization is situated at Geneva. South Asian University, a joint SAARC university of SAARC nations, has been established in New Delhi. The CNSA is the National Space Agency of People's Republic of China. The headquarters of the International Atomic Energy Agency is located in Vienna. Nirupama Rao is appointed as India's ambassador to USA. Operation New Dawn is the beginning of stability in Iraq. Who launched a crowdfunding campaign to raise funds for bailing out Greece? Thomas Fenney. Who is the President of European Council? Donald Tusk. Which is the largest tobacco producing country in the world? China. The world's longest river, the Nile, flows through which continent? Africa. The city of Lothal stood beside a tributary of which river? Sabarmati. The Mekong Ganga Corporation is an initiative by India and how many other countries? 5. Which is the first country to leave International Crime Court? Burundi. What is called the descendants of Dutch and Portuguese colonies in Sri Lanka? Burger. Which island is called Island of Pearls? Bahrain. The Samjhauta Express runs between Delhi to which city in Pakistan? Lahore. Which country is known as Land of Midnight Sun? Norway. Which is called Country of Canals? Pakistan. Which country is regarded as the home of Fabian socialism? England. Which Vedic text mentioned the eastern and western seas for the first time? Satpat Brahmana. We are CrackU providing free mocks for IBPS clerk. For that you only need to search on Google CrackU IBPS clerk free mocks. Click on the link. Now click on the free mock to take the test. Now select your language and start the mock. Which city is also known as Big Apple? New York, USA. The method of impeachment of the President of India is adopted from USA. The biggest consumer of natural gas in the world? USA. The Delhi to Lahore bus is officially known as Sada-e-Sarhad. The upper house of the legislature is more powerful than the lower house in Britain. The dispute over Siachen Glacier is between India and Pakistan. Where was the first regular session of UN General Assembly held? London. The Panama Canal expansion project is also referred to third set of locks. World Economic Outlook is published by IMF. Which country is the largest producer of the gold in the world? China. Which country has the longest railway network in the world? USA. Largest producer of bauxite in the world is Australia. Who is the president of New Development Bank? K.V. Kamant. Who is the current director of World Trade Organization? Robert Azevedo. Who is the executive chairman and founder of World Economic Forum? Klaus Schwab. INS Sindhu Rakshak was the news recently. From which country did India get this submarine? Russia. The World Diamond Conference was held recently in India. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization is headquartered at? Brussels. What is the code name of world's largest amphibious aircraft made by China? Kunlong. Bhutan's national language is known as? Dzongkha. The worldwide Great Depression took place in 1930. Which country is the largest producer of Goa? India. Angel Falls is situated on which river? Caroni. The co-founders of Google are Sergey Brin and Larry Page. Who is the Prime Minister of Japan? Shinzo Abe. McMahon Line is in between which two countries? India and China. How many background colors there are in Bhutan's national flag? 2. The island that was under dispute of ownership between Japan and China are Senkaku Islands. Which country has made the world's largest amphibious aircraft named AG-600? China. The longest continental railway in the world is Trans-Siberian Railway. Last question of the day. Who takes the decision regarding the savings and loan activities in a self-help group? Members of the group. We will be back with more important videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Thank you.